Hi everyone, and welcome to another random DIY video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome DIY poster frames. Not only are these guys super functional, they are also very affordable, costing only around $10 each, poster included. So grab your staples and string and let's make some cool vintage posters to jazz up your living space. First things first, you need to pick out your posters. I love these vintage science posters, but at our local art store they are pretty expensive, and even Amazon has them listed for higher prices, unless you know the secret search terms. Instead of typing vintage science poster into the search bar, try typing the words decorative wrap poster, and you will find the same style prints for as low as $4. Now that you have your prints, let's move on to the DIY. For supplies, all you will need are a common staple gun, some 1/4-inch staples, some twine or string, and some wooden dowels. The dowels can be picked up at a hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot, and they will actually cut them to size for you if you ask. We're going to be using our saw though. To figure out the size you need, simply measure the width of your poster and then add 2 inches, an extra inch for each side. Then cut your pieces to size and staple the prints to the back of the dowels. Make sure to staple at the edge closest to the top of the dowel to prevent any gapping when the posters hang. Then measure out a length of twine, we use 26 inches, and attach it to the upper dowel. Ta-da! You now have epic hanging posters that you can swap around on a whim, and that didn't break your bank. So I hope you enjoyed today's easy DIY project. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you didn't, please give it a thumbs down so I know not to do these types of videos anymore. Also be sure to check out my husband's channel because this was totally his idea and handiwork, and his channel is chock full of projects big and small for anyone who likes to DIY. I'll link it in the description below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.